Hello everybody. So in this new demonstration, I will do is that I will install the latest Citrix version. Okay, so like I will show you here, I am on VMware and on my storage here, on my data store, I have downloaded the latest Citrix 209. Okay, why? Because I am using vSphere 7. So what I did is that I created a nested VM here with my vSphere, and inside this vSphere I have the v7. Okay, so I have the version 7 here. You can see of VMware. Okay, you can see that here. Okay, that's good. And what I did is that in vSphere I have a vCenter. Okay, so and this vCenter is the 7. Okay, so if what I will do is that I'm gonna open RDP on one of my machine. Okay, so this IP here is the IP of a public IP, and this one is a NAT to one of my RDP workstation. It's this one, okay, this RDP workstation. So I will go here and directly could connect, and it will connect directly to my RDP workstation, which is inside my my network here. And so I will just show you that I have my vCenter connected correctly. And what I will do now, after that, I will go on my POC Citrix. Why POC? Because I name it proof of concept. It's just to install everything on the same server. Never do that. Try to install the storefront and the broker on different server. This is very important. And if you install on the same server, you can do that, but it's not the best practice. I don't like it because certificate will be the same, and it will be sharing port, so it's not nice to do troubleshooting. Try to avoid to do that. Okay, so so that's it. So here I'm connecting actually to this VM. Okay, this VM is a Windows 10 VM, and I enable the RDP to connect from this VM from where I am. Okay, actually this server is in Paris in France, and I'm located in Malta, the island of Malta. I don't know if you know Malta. Malta is in the European Sea. It's not far away from Sicilia, from Tunisia, from Greek, from France, so it's a very nice place. It's really a place to be actually. A lot of iGaming company, a lot of casino, a lot of IT. You have a big data center over there. It's not Amazon Azure or another one, but it's one from here. It's working very well. So if you can see here, I'm connected on my Windows 10 VM, and I will show you my vCenter 7. So I installed directly my vCenter 7 on a new, it's a Linux appliance, remember? If you want to have some training on vSphere, you can go on my website. I have an English training on vSphere and vCenter. So I have installed this version on my vSphere with the nested. Remember that I created here my vSphere here, and it's nested inside here. So for vSphere, it's like a physical server. Okay, and for me, it's a physical server. Why I did that is because I will integrate my in the studio XenApp and XenDesktop with vSphere if I want to use PVS or MCS. Okay. So he's taking some time to connect. Okay, you know what? Just we'll go to start the installation of our POC here, and we'll stay after just to show you the vCenter. Okay, so here I will go here, and I have mounted my ISO. So you see that it's Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops, CVAD. So here I will run my auto select, and I will run it. For me, it's the first time I run this this version. You can see the new logo here. See, so it's very new. So it's like you and me. Okay, I'm trying I'm trying to install it. We can see the new logo here. Like I told you, it's the new brand. So let's go and start. And remember that the first thing that you must do is install the delivery controller. I said nothing really has changed. Okay, it's the same thing here. So it seems to be like the other version. Okay, so let's try to see if there is new thing here. I'm going to install my delivery controller, and remember that this is the first step. Okay, install the delivery controller. After, you will install the license. Remember that you cannot have any more license from Citrix website. I don't know why. Maybe too many people try to use it in production. LOL. But actually, you don't care about that. Why? Because you will have 30 days. 15 plus 15 days. Okay, it's 30 days to try this new product. Okay, so yeah, it's not really an issue. Okay, so here is it. I have my Citrix here, license agreement. I have read everything like you did, of course. I will do next. And here's the component. Okay, remember that I will install everything here on this server. So the delivery controller, the studio director. Be aware that you must have a quite big server for that. So in my task manager, if I go here, you can see that I have 8 gig and CPU I have, how much I have. I go here. Okay, it's not really enough, but it can be okay just for our demonstration. So I will do next here, and I will install SQL Express. It's quite an old version. If you install it, it's that you want to do a POC, okay? Because normally you have another server, SQL server, somewhere else, okay? But in my situation, I will install it on the same server than my POC Citrix, okay? If you want to do clustering or always on, please install a separate database server, okay? This is the remote desktop, so it will be next and finish, okay? So don't be, this is not important, okay? It's the same thing that in the previous version. I don't know why they did it. They said that, okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, it's just saying that if you install the VDA on a virtual apps or on your master VDI, you must enter the IP address of your broker. Okay, so I'm gonna stop now the installation, this recording of this video, just to explain you what is all this, and after we'll stop. This is .NET Framework. This is the local DB. This is local host cache. So what is it? Is that if you have an issue with if your database is not working anymore, he will use this local host cache. And you can still people can still connect and run session, okay? But you cannot change anything. Here you have the IIS, of course. This is the remote assistant. This is just to be able to run remote assistance. Why? Because I have here on my server director. This is the broker, the studio director license server. Okay, so let's stop this video, and after that, in the next video we will continue to see the configuration of my broker with my vSphere, okay, server. Okay, just to show you here my if I connect now to my vCenter, okay, so my vCenter must be let me see, what is my vCenter? I don't remember the IP of my vCenter, but let's close that. If I go on my AD here, I have the address here directly here. Yeah, that's it. So it's vCenter fit.it.lab. See here, it's my. This is my SSO. Remember, this is my local domain directly on vCenter. So if I tap this administrator, okay, and I tap vSphere dot local here and my password $PA. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I'm connected directly to my vCenter, and I will just show you that it's I just created a data center, and I didn't create any cluster. I have just one server. But if you go here, you can see that I have my data center here with my vSphere, and this is my VMware vCenter. Okay, so and this is the 7. Okay, so it's the latest version of vSphere, and of course it's the latest version of your vCSA. Okay, so I have really new version with my host here and new version with my vCSA. So after, remember that if you want to do a POC with the latest version of Citrix, so the 209, it's the only version we work with vSphere 7. Okay, if you have the previous version, you must install this 6.7 vSphere, not the 7 version. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna stop this video. Okay, bye bye, and see you in the next lecture.